what's up, y'all? It's Motorcyclist here. So today we're unboxing a 12-inch Labyrinth sub box. Let's see, that's 3/4. So far, I'm pretty impressed. I got it off of Amazon for $130. It came in this box. It got here. I ordered it on Thursday and it was here on Monday, and that's pretty good for a heavy package. This thing must weigh like 60 pounds at least. It's in really good shape. The carpet's really nice. I mean, there are a few little spots here. I mean, right there it looks a little rough, but I mean, clean it up a little bit. You can't really beat that. And free shipping. I mean, Amazon's really killing it. So, but basically I just wanted to show you guys, what the box looks like, what it looks like with subs in it, and then let you know how it performs. I have 2 sets of subs that will fit this box perfectly. So the Rockford Fosgate P3 D4 12s require a 1.79 cubic inch ported box, and this one's right at 1.8 cubic inches. And then I have some JL audios that require basically the same thing for a ported box. It's like right at 1.79 or 1.8 for a ported box. So I'm super excited to try both of these out. I'm going to be doing these first, so I'll let you know. The terminals here, gold plated. They look okay. The screw-on type. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'll have to trim that up. I'll probably take glue and just hit these edges in there. It is a Labyrinth sub box, so it goes boom, boom, and then out. So, heck yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, we'll be back when I have it all hooked up. So, for this configuration, I'm going to do a 1 ohm. So, I have my wire. Oh, actually, let's start here. So, I have a negative and positive running to here. And then I have the negative and positive going through a small hole. And then I have that running to here. And then I have a jumper running to here. And then I have the cable hooked up here. And then I'm just going to run 1 set of wires to my monoblock amp. And then we'll be running at 1 ohm. And we'll be getting full power. Alright, so there we go. Now I'm gonna get these bolted in and let's see how she does. So I just want to say this box is absolutely amazing, and I'm not just saying that. Going from what I had, which I don't know, maybe it's because of the box I had before, but this box absolutely just pounds. I mean, it's insane. So these are P3s. By the way, I got this amazing deal on Facebook Marketplace. I got this Rockford Fosgate T1500-1BD amp. Wow, the quality. And look, I didn't even realize this. It was manufactured in 07, and they bought it for almost $800, $799.99, and I bought it for $100. And I mean, this thing looks amazing. Like, it's crazy. Sorry about that. I mean, it barely has even any scratches on it. It is a little dusty, but it's amazing. I got all my stuff hooked up. Yeah, this sub box, I definitely give it a 9 out of 10. The only complaint I have is how it came a little messed up, but I'm not really going to send it back because of that. I still got to put my rings around, And I'm thinking about getting some cages because I do a lot of work with this vehicle. So hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you. If I were you, I would definitely get this box if it meets the specs of your speakers.